Okay, development leading to the Bohr's model of atom. As already you have got the Rutherford's model of atom, this model have some drawbacks. It cannot explain about the stability of the atom, and it cannot explain about the spectrum of atom. So that is why, since it cannot explain about the stability of atom, so that's why one of the scientists, Bohr, you will get another model. Bohr developed a model which is called Bohr's model of atom. But before doing the Bohr's model of atom, you should know about the spectrum. So what is the spectrum which is shown by the atom? Since Rutherford model cannot explain about the spectrum of atom, that means it could not explain satisfactorily about the structure of atom. So that is why, if you want to know about the spectrum of atom, then you should know about the nature of light. Actually, spectrum is the property of light. So that is why, to know about spectrum, first time you should know about the nature of light. And if you want to know about nature of light, you can explain by applying two theories, and these two theories you should know. One is called electromagnetic wave theory. And one is called Planck quantum theory. So first time you should know about these two theories, then you can understand about the nature of light. After that you can understand about the spectrum. So if you want to know about spectrum, then you should know about the nature of light, and nature of light can be explained by applying two theories. One is called electromagnetic wave theory and another is called Planck quantum theory. Now we will do one by one. First time we will do the electromagnetic wave theory. So number one, electromagnetic wave theory. That means first time we will study nature of electromagnetic radiation. Actually, the main points of this electromagnetic wave theory are, I will give you the points mainly. Number one, the energy emitted from any source. The energy emitted from any source continuously in the form of radiation, and the emitting energy is called radiant energy. The energy emitted from any source continuously in the form of radiation, and the emitting energy is called radiant energy. So this is one of the property of light. If you consider sun, when sun gives us the light, then sun gives us some radiation. I mean, when it emits the energy, the energy will come in the form of radiation. For example, the bulb, when the bulb gives us light, then continuously from the bulb some radiation will come and they will emit the energy in the form of radiation. And what energy is emitting, that is called radiant energy. I mean, energy of radiation. So any source of light, when it gives us energy, they emit the energy in the form of radiation. So that is the number one point. Second point, the radiation consists of electric and magnetic field. the radiation consists of electric and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other, and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation. The second point, the radiation consists of electric and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular, this is the symbolic form of perpendicular I have given, oscillating perpendicular to each other and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation. If you want to know about this second point, suppose this is a source of light, and the light comes in this direction. If the light comes to this direction, that is called direction of propagation. I mean, in which direction the light is coming, that is called direction of propagation. Now, if you apply one electric field, when the radiation come, suppose in presence of electric field, the radiation come like this way as wave type, they always possesses wave character. Suppose in presence of electric field, the radiation comes like this way. At the same time, if you apply one magnetic field, it will come like this way, and both are perpendicular to each other. Both perpendicular to the direction of propagation and both are perpendicular to each other also. This is electric field, this is magnetic field, both are perpendicular to each other. Suppose this is the direction of propagation of light, I mean in this direction the light is coming. In presence of electric field, suppose the radiation come like this way, the radiation is coming like this way, I mean perpendicular to the direction of propagation. At the same time, if we apply one magnetic field, the radiation come like this way, I mean both are perpendicular to each other. In presence of electric field, it comes like this way. In presence of magnetic field, it comes like this way. I mean electric field, magnetic field, electric field is like this way, magnetic field is like this way, both are perpendicular to each other, and both electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So this is the property of radiation. The radiation consists of electric and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation. And another point, that is number 3, the radiation possesses wave character. The radiation possesses wave character and travel with the speed of light. Do you know what is the speed of light? The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That means any radiation, when the radiation is coming, the radiation always come like wave. I mean they have the wave character. Like this way the radiation will come. And when the radiation comes, the radiation always travel with the speed of light. I mean, what is the speed of that radiation? It will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So these are the main points of the electromagnetic wave theory. If any source of light, when it emit energy, it emit the energy in the form of radiation. That is number 1. Second point, the radiation consists of electric and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other and both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Third point, the radiation always have the wave character. I mean they have the wave nature and they travel with the speed of light. I mean their speed is equal to the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So these are the 3 main points of electromagnetic wave theory, which is also said to be nature of electromagnetic radiation. Thank you.